The US 10-year Treasury note is holding lows at 109.02. We have stabilized above this level, but could be forming a bearish consolidation pattern. The KMI have turned south, suggesting a bear divergence. If we break down, the next target is 108.13. A pivot could test 109.19 or 110.05. Gold seems to have bottomed out around $2,548. We have since pulled back a bit to test $2,580. If the momentum can continue, $2,603 is the next target above, but the KMI are weak and multiple red triangles at $2,580 suggest prohibitive resistance for AU. If things turn south, we expect $2,548 to hold. The S&P 500 retraced sharply, erasing much of its gains from the Trump rally. We are holding above 5,903, with green triangles on the KRI confirming support. The KMI have eased significantly. Though a pivot to 5,946 is likely. 5,877 is the next target below if 5,903 caves. Oil has stabilized, recovering the range between $67.91 and $68.96. The KMI are bearish, so downside risk is elevated. The next targets above and below the range are $69.67 and $66.77, respectively. The DXY hit 107.20 and eased back, forming a dragon head pattern. If we can break 107.20, 108.50 is the next target above. Expect support at 106.13 if current levels fail to hold. Bitcoin dipped down into the vacuum zone under $89.6K, but is holding the line, quickly recovering and testing this level again from below. If we can break out again, we must break through $92,000 before we can test $97.7K. Watch the vacuum zone below to $81.6K. Ethereum has broken down to $3,042. If you recall, this was our target from yesterday. As we predicted, this level held, and we seem to be in the midst of a small pivot to $3,148. The KMI have eased, so we don't expect much more, but if more momentum comes through, the next target is $3,200 where we expect strong resistance, though the $3,000 should hold from below. $2,965 is the next level of support under $3,000. Litecoin hit $85.08 after a dramatic recovery from the low $70s. The KMI have picked up sharply. If we can keep up the momentum, $87.20 is the next target, and we'd well on our way to the $90 handle. Litecoin has been very volatile lately, so watch for a dramatic retracement, perhaps to $80, which should be regarded as a good entry level to add to a long position.